Good evening, Bay Area. Good evening, Lowell. How are you?
Alima, I'm doing very well. How about yourself?
Hey, not too bad. I mean, my day started off with a grueling 1 hour of exercises and weights and heavy circuit, and now I'm like sore in every muscle of the body that I don't even know I had. You know how that goes, right?
I don't remember you working out before every show. Is this a new
Yeah,
routine
it
of yours?
is. Actually, it's kind of my final chance or final opportunity, I should say. Because as I age, I don't think I can even handle this anymore. So if I need to get back on track, then this is my final chance to get a go at it. So it just so happens that every Saturday, I go to a personal trainer in the morning. So that's how my day starts at 9 o'clock in the morning. But the rest of the time, I go to gym, do cross training and body pump and U-jam. All, I used to be very active a long time ago, but then, what do I say, kids and other things and all that stuff. But you know what though? That is all of those just excuses. If you really want to get to do it and you want to maintain it, you would still do it anyway. So I'm just giving myself one final chance. See, that's how my day starts. But anyway, so I hope you guys are having a fantastic Saturday. This is Alima with Rangmanch. My partner in crime, Neeraja, is going to be running a little bit late today, so hopefully she'll connect with us from India in a short while. We have plenty to cover today. We're going to be talking about the shows and everything, but before we actually get into the shows, I really want to, on behalf of Rangmanch, me, Neeraja, and of course Lowell too, as he's on the board with me, my deepest condolences and prayers for the people who have lost their lives in Boston and also in Texas. It is such a terrible thing to happen. I mean, I've been following it. I mean, I'm sure Lowell, you must be kind of going through it also, but just imagine, I mean, just seems so ordinary people, just 2 students out of college, who wouldn't even think, or you wouldn't even think that would do. But it's a terrible tragedy, and every time I think about my kids in school, going into middle school and high school, and I think about all the friends that they have or all the students that they are in the school, I mean, it's so unpredictable. And today my older daughter went out of town for 4 days on cooking competitions for state level. And you know how they say, people write about, feeling the little pangs in your heart and that little, oh my gosh, she's all grown up. And I tell you, it is so true. I mean, it is absolutely true.
So she's 13 and she's already in cooking contests, huh?
I'm like, here she is. She's like as tall as me, 8th grade already. She just took her suitcase and her purse like an adult. Said bye, whatever, I love you and everything, her friend picked her up, went to the airport. There were like 5-6 students along with the teachers going to, Southern California for their competitions. But my goodness, and then I'm thinking, oh my God, they really have gotten the wings. I mean, pretty soon they're going to be heading into college, just standing at the doorway. It kind of got me goosebumps as I'm thinking about, I don't know if it's the same with when boys leave house or leave home and go away versus girls leaving. But anyways, so my Saturday has been pretty interesting. So, she's out of town, so I'm like, but she's reached safely, so that's a good thing. Like I was saying, so our deepest condolences and prayers to all the family who have lost their lives, and I hope and pray that there's an end to this, which, I doubt it, but all I can do is at least hope and have faith. As we move on, well, actually today Lowell has his top 5 favorite Hindi songs. Can you believe that? So we're going to be playing some of those. Then I have my top 5, 10, whatever. I mean, for the week. Now, these are not my favorite, but they are my good ones. But I have like tons of songs that are my favorites. But I'm going to share with Lowell when he's playing them. Lowell, are you ready to do the first one?
Oh, you're ready to go already, huh?
I'm curious what songs you've picked. I'm like really curious because you didn't give me the list, and I was telling my husband, my goodness, do you know Lowell picked 5 Hindi songs to be played today? And he was like, what songs? I said, beats me. I have no clue.
Well, I'll tell you this, full disclosure, I know you wanted me to do a top 10. I was able to come up with 10 that I really like, but in that 6 to 10 order, it's like, okay, well, 6 to 8, is there really that big of a difference? But
true.
really, when it boils down to the top 5, that's where I really feel strongly about my selections.
Fantastic.
Yeah, so
fantastic. Dosto, agar you have, hey, request. I mean, our request lines are always open for you guys. The number to call is 408-912-5565. Call into the station. Hey, let Lowell know, or even me know. We've become pretty good with picking songs for you guys, and stay tuned. And if you want to give us impression or give us your comments on Lowell's top 5, whether you like them or not, or whether you have any special requests for someone you love out there, I'll be right back in a couple of minutes.
Okay, here you go, Alima. Number 5 from Kalari Baya, Hookah Bar.
All right, here we go, guys. I love that song. It's very, very catchy, very, very catchy. So that's good. Well, also, hey, if you guys have any special requests, give us a call 408-912-5565. I hate rumors. I mean, rumors are something that just drive you nuts, seriously. And for some reason, the past week has been full of rumors in the TV world. Not in my world. I hope there's nothing in your world, Lowell. But in the TV world, it looks like there seems to be a lot of rumors. And it's common, though. I guess it's common that, when you're in the entertainment industry, people like to talk. But, hey, this kind of beats it. I mean, Ayushmann Khurrana, he happens to be the lead actor in Vicky Donor. Apparently, there's been a lot of rumors saying that he died in a skiing accident, which is like a total. It really it amazes me how these rumors even start. There is, the rumors of, okay, having an affairs and things is like so common, but how can they even come up with a person dying, saying that a person died here or there, whatever it is? How do they even come up with this stuff? But anyway, this had become a huge problem for this guy, but he's hale and hearty, alive and kicking, just so you know. But anyway, I just thought that how much of these rumors can really hinder your life. You're going to get countless phone calls, and with social forums so rampant. I mean, just imagine him getting all these tweets and Facebook things and phone call buzzing. Just imagine you waking up to a phone call and thinking, hey, are you dead? I mean...
Imagine how angry that'd make you feel too, huh?
I know. Oof. Seriously. But anyways, I know he must have been so upset, but when I was reading it, I just couldn't control my laughter too. I mean, in a way, it is funny, but if I was in his place, I'm sure I would have been so upset about it. Maybe the first 2-3 phone calls, it would have been funny, but when you get into that loop of everyone calling and then seeing all that stuff, I'm sure it must have just upset him quite a lot. Well, continuing on the rumor week, I have to mention that Punarvivaah has gone through a huge upheaval, I should say, last week. I mean, rumor has it that it was going off air. Rumor has it that there were issues with the lead and the production house. Rumor has it that there was a lot of unprofessionalism and just the creatives and the lead not getting along, and it was mind-boggling to read all these social forums where it's like as if how they say, well, like people, it's like as if they know this person really well, and they're like, how dare you say that he was unprofessional? I mean, he's like the most professional person on planet Earth. And I'm sitting and thinking, well, to begin with, you don't live with him. You don't know what happens in those meetings. You don't run his appointments and you don't schedule his appointments. You don't even talk to the creatives. You are not his agent. So how do you even know what happens behind closed doors for you guys to get so upset and just spout out all this venom and thinking, how dare you say this person is unprofessional or whatever it is? It was mind-boggling. It was mind-boggling to read it. But anyways, rumor still has it that the show is going to go off air. They still haven't decided. But in the meantime, in Punarvivaah, whoever is following that show, Aarti has given birth to a baby boy. According to me, there is no more story left in that storyline. It would make sense to actually end the show on a happy note, but dekhenge kya hoga. People are just thinking that the show might continue for a few more months, but then again, hey, for me personally, there is absolutely no story left in it. I mean, they should just end it when it's doing good or whenever. But let's see what's going to happen. My sources say that the show may end in May. Rumor has it, and the articles are out there that it may end in June. So, it used to be one of my favorite shows when I started, like, few months ago, a year ago. And then it just went downhill at some point. But anyway, I guess a lot of TV shows are like that. So anyways, so if you have any special requests, our request lines are up. I am going up to Lowell for his number 4 countdown, Lowell. I'm not going to play my songs until I'm done with your countdown of all 5 songs. So stay put, don't go away. Here comes number 4 from Lowell.
And this one was the toughest for me, Lam, because I don't know about you. Did you ever have a situation where you're not crazy about the original song, but a remix or a hypermix just makes you go nuts? Say, yes, this is it.
Oh, yeah, absolutely. This is it, huh?
Yep. Well, here we go. Number 4 is actually the hypermix of Anarkali Disco Chali in Houseful 2. Here we go.
All right, cool. Disco Chelly number 4 from Lowell's list. You know what, Lowell? I think we should go to a disco one of these days. Do we even have any discos left? I mean,
That's a good question. I don't know. Occasionally I'll play around on Google. I might have Googled disco at some point. I don't see any discos at least
Left.
advertised in the Bay Area.
yeah, it is. It's such a like 70s, early 80s kind of a thing. Disco, you mean? You know, the moves and all that stuff. But boy, I would be interested to go to a disco. Hey, if anyone knows a disco out here in the Bay Area, let us know. We would want to go and have some fun out there. It reminds me of all the disco moves in the 80s and 70s, especially the Indian movies. I mean, they had like some very specific moves, which I'm sure if you see them now, they're going to be totally hilarious, because they've progressed so much. But anyways, though, so this is Alimon Rangmanch. Neeraja from India is going to join us shortly as we go along. Oh boy, I was surfing the web, trying, going through some stuff, and then people who have been following the Cannes Film Festival. Do you follow Cannes Film Festival, Lowell? I mean, but have you heard about it though?
Oh, heard of it, yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Well, I mean, we have some very like Aishwarya Rai and some celebrities always gracing that occasion, and then some movies being playing. Apparently, Bombay Talkies is what I should say. It is being screened at the Cannes Film Festival this year, and apparently the movie is about celebrating 100 years of Indian cinema. And and I mean, believe it or not, but the 4 directors of the movie are Zoya Akhtar, Dibakar Banerjee, Anurag Kashyap, and Karan Johar. And hey, you can't go wrong with all these 4 people. They're amazing directors, very well known. They have come out with fantastic movies. So they basically came out with this movie as a dedication to 100 years of cinema. And what they did was actually they did like a short film. So it was like 4 short films. And they kind of clubbed it together into one big movie and it's going to be opening at the Cannes Film Festival. And I thought that was pretty cool about it. You know how it's nice to see other countries coming into the Academy Awards, into the Oscars, into the Cannes Film Festival. It kind of makes you feel proud. I mean, the the divergence of cultures coming together, and so this is going to be something, something worth watching, I would say. So hopefully we can follow the Cannes Film Festival and see where that's going. Cheesy titles. Do you know what cheesy titles are?
Well, fire away. Let's find out.
Well, I was surfing the web for something, and then I come across this cheesy Bollywood titles, and you know how Hollywood is over on that mountaintop. When you're going to LA, you can see it. So it's got this picture of, instead of Hollywood, it says Bollywood cinema on it, and then they have all these cheesy titles because the titles of the movies used to be so good. I mean, I don't know if good is the word, but they sounded better. They had a meaning to it. But now I was reading some of these titles in this article here, and it says Revolver Rani. Rani means queen. It's like a revolver Rani. I'm assuming revolver is the gun. Rajkumar Rambo. And Kuku Mathur ki jand ho gayi. I mean, it's I can't even say some of these things. I mean, it's not so much that I cannot read them, but even just to say them, they just seem to be like, the names just seem to be so B grade, C grade titles for any of the movies. And I'm reading this article through, and I go, the big directors are the ones who are using all these titles for the upcoming movies. And you would be surprised, though. In fact, Rowdy Rathore, obviously that's Akshay Kumar's movie. Hey, even Lowell heard about it, see? And it was Bhansali who came up with that name, and obviously everyone is following in his footsteps. Now, Bhansali can't go wrong. He's one of the biggest directors in the Indian cinema, and if he's coming up with those titles, why not all the other directors and the producers, right? So there we go, Rowdy Rathore, and then we have all these. I mean, it takes a cake revolver, Rani. I don't know. It just seems so funny to hear these names, and it's got all big movie artists in it. It's very hard to associate that title with the movie artists who are the big ones in the industry. But anyways, so I thought that was very interesting how the change in the trend in Bollywood or Bollywood, how it goes, how much it changes like day to day, and how people seem to follow like in a herd mentality. Like if one is doing, 10 other people are going to follow doing it. But that's how it runs, I guess. Well, anyways, are we ready for number 3, Lowell?
Yes, we
On
are.
your list? All right.
This is a perfect Saturday night song, but whether it's Saturday or Monday, this still makes my top 3. Here we go.
All right.
Party on My Mind.
मैंने पहने body shoes, gonna let my body loose. कर ली है थोड़ी booze, there's party on my mind. Hey, happy ride, 'cause Saturday night, और music भी है right. There's party on my mind, mind.
यू करते पारी शारी जैसे हो पहली बारी सांसें थक जाए तो कहते चल कर ले तो चिल्ला चिल्ला कह दो मस्ती की खोलो खिड़की जैसे परवाना चलती कदमों को खिड़की दो हाथों को ऊपर लो आंखें तो बंद कर दो
पहने body shoes, gonna let my body loose. कर ली है थोड़ी booze, there's party on my mind. Hey, happy ride, 'cause Saturday night, और music भी है right. There's party on my mind.
आज की रात सोनी सोनी कुड़ियां मेरे साथ दारू मंगा लो मेरे यारों फिर बनेगी बात सारी रात करेंगे booze gotta take you on my cruise पहले अपने body shoes ना लगे you can get through आज रात को मेरी मुलाकात में ना हो मेरी लोग चुप कर थोड़ा रुक कर मार पीला थोड़ी थोड़ी इसको मैं कुड़ी करूंगी कट कट मारूं पीकी सारी सर पे चढ़ गई हो गई डोरी come on baby
Let's go party. दिल को लग गई wing, baby I'm just gonna sing. There's party on my mind. करती है हमको tease, ये हल्की हल्की breeze. Baby put yourself to ease. There's party on my mind.
फिर अपनी होगी यारी कदमों में दुनिया सारी तुझको नचाऊं तो दुनिया भुलाऊं तो कहते हैं दिल में जो पागल बनती हो baby अपनी ही छेड़े झुमकी spin it around yo इन चक्कर आने दो बाहों में खो भी लो
Body shoes, gonna let my body loose. कर ली है थोड़ी booze. There's party on my mind. Hey, happy ride, 'cause Saturday night, और music भी है right. There's party on my mind.
We need to go party. We seriously need to go party. I mean, your songs are like so peppy, and now I'm thinking, oh my God, Alima's songs are going to be so dull and boring, and okay, like she's going into all these retro songs and everything. But hey, I think it complements.
And
We
we're-
just can't have all peppy songs and all that stuff, right? But So far, they're fantastic songs. I like them. I like those songs. Dosto, this is Alima on Rangmanch, and Lowell is on the boat today, and the studio number to call is 408-912-5565. Any special requests? Hey, give us a call. We're more than willing to play that song for you, for your loved one, for yourself, or for anyone important in your life. I actually associated with a nonprofit organization called Genia. What Genia does basically is its main mission is to educate and enhance the learning experience for rural students, especially in India. And we've had it for about 4 years, and I just happened to get associated with it a few months ago. And what they do is they create these hands-on science and math kits. So it's just not solving a problem on a board kind of a thing. They actually have kits, handmade kits, and which actually educates them in using their brains towards science and math subjects. And it seems we seem to be doing pretty well. I mean, we seem to be doing really well, and we had a fantastic appreciation event actually about a couple of months ago for all the volunteers. And just so you know, those, so if you're really interested, I mean, you can go onto their website, check out what Genia is, and in fact, what we're doing is we are conducting a masterminds competition called Genia Masterminds. It's like an upcoming mind challenge contest to dare the pro in you. So for the first time, we're teaming up with SIPA, a nonprofit, along with Genia, and it presents the Genia Masterminds Rural Education 2.0 contest in the Bay Area, and this is on June 8th, and it's in South Bay. And of course, all the details you probably can get onto the website, Genia. Get onto the website. All the instructions are there. I will keep giving you information every week as we get more and more information coming in. But they have instructions and rules for you to be participating in that contest. What do you need to do? When do you need to start? And this is basically it's motivating all those young minds there, or smart minds. Anyone. It doesn't have to be young, actually. It could be you, Lowell. It could be me. Follow the instructions. See if you can come up with a kit, right? It's like you're creating like a program, like a software program. So you're like creating a kit, and then of course it's going to be you're just going to pick which is the best kit. But this competition is coming up. As the details flow into me, I will be updating all my listeners every week. For now, you can always access Genia on Facebook or on the website. We do update it on a regular basis, but hey, I think it's going to be a fantastic thing. Moving on, I'm so hyped up with your songs and everything. I'm so tempted to say, okay, let's go to the next, but and the sad part of all this is Neeraja is missing everything. Here she was also gung-ho about, oh my God, I need to know what Lowell's top 5 are, and then she's not here today. Or at least she's not here for the first half of the show.
Look at it this way. We could recap it for her when she comes on, or send her the clips if she missed any of it.
I know, right? But it would have been nice to hear what her comments were. What she would think about your selection of the top 5, right? That would have been fantastic. So we are getting into Lowell's number 2.
You mentioned Rowdy Rathore earlier. Got me excited because number 2.
Rowdy Rathore it is. My goodness, dosto, don't go away. Listen to the song.
दुनिया चले पछाड़ी तो मैं चलूं अगाड़ी सब खेल जानता हूँ मैं हूँ बड़ा खिलाड़ी ओहो दुनिया चले पिछाड़ी तो मैं चलूं अगाड़ी सब खेल जानता हूँ मैं हूँ बड़ा खिलाड़ी सुमड़ी में लेके जाऊं और सबको मैं सिखाऊं क्या दुनिया चले पिछाड़ी तो मैं चलूं अगाड़ी सब खेल जानता हूँ मैं हूँ बड़ा खिलाड़ी सुमड़ी में लेके जाऊं और सबको मैं सिखाऊं क्या अरे क्या रंग रूप है क्या चाल ढाल है अरे क्या रंग रूप है क्या चाल ढाल है ये लाजवाब है ये बेमिसाल है अरे नया नया साल है नया नया माल है मिल जाए कोई चोरी काली हो जाए गोरी मिल जाए कोई चोरी काली हो जाए गौरी चुपके से चोरी चोरी बांधू मैं दिल की डोरी सुमड़ी में लेके जाऊं और इसको मैं सिखाऊं क्या आंखों में रूप है पॉकेट में नोट है और आंखों में रूप है पॉकेट में नोट है नटखट मिजाज है रंगीला कोट है सूरत मासूम है नीयत में खोट है पैजामा टंग है ढीला लंगोट है ऐसा चलाऊं चक्कर सीधा करूं करेक्टर रास्ते पे इसको लाऊं इसे आईना दिखाऊं सिमड़ी में लेके जाऊं और सबको मैं सिखाऊं क्या
Lowell, I love you, Lowell. I seriously love you. And Niru? Hi, darling. How are
happening?
you? Arey, we are having so much fun with Lowell's top 5, and तुमने तो miss की थी everything.
Oh my God! Did I miss this? This is his top.
This is number 2. We did number 2. We finished 5, 4, 3, and this was number 2. And I have to tell you, this guy is amazing. He just picked the top peppy songs. And
hi, Lowell. How are you?
Neither G, I'm doing good. You picked a bad day to be late.
Yeah, I know. We'll do it again.
Yeah,
Top
I know,
10
right?
maybe.
We're just going to recap
And,
everything.
what
Huh?
are can I just have the other two numbers? What is the other two songs?
नहीं other 2 तो नहीं हुआ है. Number 5 was
Number 5, Hookah Bar.
Hookah Bar. Number 4
Hookah Bar.
Anarkali
Okay.
Disco Chali.
Number 4 was Anarkali Disco Chali. Number 3
Oh my goodness!
Party
All
on My
rocking
Mind.
songs.
3 was Party on My Mind, and I told him Party on My Mind तो मैंने सुना भी नहीं है, तो I have to listen to which movie it is. And then
We'll
number
listen to it together.
yeah, and number 2 is Chintata from Rowdy Rathore. And then we have
Yeah.
number 1 coming up pretty soon. So I was like,
All
my
foot tapping numbers.
all foot tapping numbers. And abhi to, and then I picked I picked the top songs for this week to play, and mera songs to itna duds hai yaar. I mean, he's got all
I
peppy.
know.
You know, look at
You
her.
have
She's
to
even
pep up a
agreeing.
little.
अरे यार तुम तो मेरे को support करना है, and you are going to say I know कि
No, I'm with Lowell here on this.
unbelievable you
I'm
guys
in a
are.
mood for some good foot tapping
अरे
numbers,
next
not
week तो
soulful
तुम
ones.
अच्छा ठीक है तो next week तुम pick choose करो top 20 songs.
Yeah, I'll put myself in the soulful mood next
हाँ
year. Next
oh
week.
see now she
Promise.
goes into soulful mood and then she complains about my soulfulness. ये double standards कैसे है यार?
होता है यार. We all each one of us have two personalities inside.
I know, right? Our shadow is
Yeah.
that little dark personality. So, you know.
Yes.
Well, you know, just to recap for you, we were just kind of having fun and, you know, we're talking about rumors and all that stuff. So, I thought I'll just recap Punarvivah for you. पता नहीं कि तुमने सुना है कि नहीं, but
You
rumor,
already finished?
I
Punarvivah?
just said Punarvivah, rumor has it कि वो off air हो जाएगा.
Oh, okay.
मुझे
Okay.
तो न्यूज़ मिला है कि इट्स प्रॉब्ली गोइंग टू बी इन May. पता नहीं, इट्स
Okay.
नॉट कंफर्म्ड बट द आर्टिकल्स आर आउट की दैट इट्स गोइंग टू एंड इन June.
Okay.
And then articles are out ki, you know, there was differences between the lead and the creatives and the production house and all that stuff. And the social forums were blazing with fury. You would know that, right? You know, hey, aisa hi hota hai. Arey
Yes.
yaar, how the hell
I
that
don't
can
go there anymore, so
yeah. Hey, I mean, come on. Gurmeet Chowdhury can go wrong. I mean, he absolutely can do anything wrong. And I'm sitting and thinking, he's a human being, guys. Give it a break. Give it a rest.
That's true.
Seriously, you know. So anyway, Aarti gives birth to a baby boy.
hello.
Hello, you still with me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Tell me.
So Aarti gives birth to a baby boy. So that's where it ends for now in Punarvivah.
Okay.
So
Okay.
I keep thinking ki there is no story after that. You guys should just end it on a high note and move on.
There was no story for a while now.
Yeah, I know, yaar. Pata hai. It's just become so cliched, and there was just no life in it anymore. You know what I mean? There's
Yeah,
absolutely
so
was
it's
no
probably
life
good
in
that
it.
it's coming off air.
I hope so. So, anyways, so that was just we talked about in general. So just to give you a recap, and then I was just talking about Saraswati Chandra. Are you still following it?
Yes, absolutely. That's one of the shows I'm following it every day almost.
Are you? Well, I missed a few shows. तो क्या हो रहा है? I mean, मुझे पता है कि
Few
वो
episodes,
engagement
okay.
नहीं हुआ है. After that, I kind of don't know what had happened on that.
SC में engagement हुआ है किसका engagement अच्छा
They were supposed to
there was supposed to be
Yes,
an engagement
yes,
and
exactly.
this one and all that.
Yeah.
वो no, she goes and tells Vidya
Dad.
Chatur just before the engagement. She orchestrates the whole thing. By she I mean Guman. Even though she knew that Saras was not accepting this proposal, she goes ahead and calls the entire village. So they will be humiliated in front of the village.
Oh well, we
But
don't believe in
Saras
doing it.
confronts her, and what happens, and she goes and tells Vidya Chatur, and he's very angry with both the daughter and the mother for hiding it from him for so long. And Saras says that everybody is upset with Saras, and he says that I'm not leaving here without. He wants to build a school for his mother in his mother's name. So he says, I'll just see about that, laying the foundation and finding a place and laying the foundation and then get the things going smoothly, and then only I'll leave. His maksad is to patch up everything
Before he
between the
takes
father
off.
and the daughter and
Right.
then leave. But I think it's more, the last few episodes have been the pull and the push between the leads.
Leads. अच्छा ठीक है.
You know, he has been, I think it's his decision to not marry Kumud was not she should not be taking it personal. I think mostly because he has a heavy past, and he sees everybody whom he has loved go away from him.
Correct.
So he doesn't want that happening with Kumud, or so he doesn't want to take this relationship forward. But they find themselves so attracted to each other, and this finally, where it ended was, he tells her that there is something between us, and we cannot deny it
वो तो मैंने
anymore.
देखा. I saw the last episode where that, for some reason I just saw that bit where they get stuck in a storm and then
Storm and
they come
yeah.
home and then
So
they have that.
that's what happens. But Guman is like slightly getting on my nerves now, or the way the character is like, it's quite obvious to everybody that she's plotting, and
Exactly.
she tries to put on that sweet face, and then she goes ahead and plots, and
See,
it's
this
just
is
not sitting well with
see,
me.
this is what I do not understand in these TV shows. तुम्हें पता है, okay? You know, the family members know कि what kind of a character she is, right? तुम्हें पता है
Yeah,
कि she's-
exactly.
So
And I think they should a little bit element of surprise, or this one would be good. And most of the villains that I have seen, or vamps that I have seen, are the ones who plot behind their back,
Yes.
not very not quite so
that quietness,
obvious.
there is no mystery
They're the ones
around it.
where even the viewers don't know, how it came about or where it's come from.
Right, right.
But okay, I mean, we'll take it as it goes. She's the main vamp, I guess, in the show, and we stuck with her for a while.
Yeah, I know. I mean, she fits the role to a T. I
She's
don't
doing a good
deny
job.
that.
She's doing a great job,
Right.
Monica Bailey. She's doing a great job. She's doing a fantastic job, and her saris are to die for.
Amazing.
Entire
My
wardrobe
goodness,
is
her-
one of the best I've seen
I
in the
have
television
to say, I
industries.
totally agree with you. She's got some amazing stuff costume she's wearing. Yeah, that was
Designer
amazing.
saris, and it's
Even her
beautiful. and
blouses and everything were so,
so simple,
fab.
yeah. And I hope, and I'm so glad that they didn't go overboard with her.
No. They are
kind of
they are
dressing.
just damn simple and sexy. Let's say it. I mean,
Yeah,
they
exactly.
just are
Yeah,
fantastic.
you said it right. It's
Yeah.
simple and sexy,
It's
right?
that's what it is. Yeah. So that's
Suits her to the T.
yeah. So that is Saraswati Chandra, folks, for you. So that is where the story is headed. I have been following Chan Chan. I don't know if you're still doing that or not, Niru, but
I have been. I think I've missed out on Friday's episode, so I
okay.
don't know where
Well,
it ended.
Friday
the
episode.
week ended.
Well, the whole week
Oh,
hasn't.
sorry. I think there is no episode on Friday, right?
No, I think
Chanchan
it
is
goes-
from Monday to Thursday.
Yeah, Monday to Thursday. But as besides the fact that Manav and Chanchan become friends and everything, there hasn't been like really a huge movement. But Friday to kya hua ki I ended up watching the Friday show because I didn't have time to go back and watch all the episodes and everything. So remember ki last week when she goes and shuts down Purvi's computer classes and her thing that she
Yes.
was doing, right?
Yes,
So what
yes.
what Chanchan does is like she places a huge advertisement in the paper and she puts Supriya Pathak's picture on there, and then she goes, Supriya Pathak
Very
joined
clever,
the
very
that
clever.
she's actually for the computer things, and that she actually joined the computer classes.
Which is the truth, by the way.
Yeah, exactly, right? So she puts that ad in the newspaper, and then all these Mahila Mandal people and everyone come, and then she's like surprised ki what the heck is happening, and these people are all praising her, saying that aapki is umr mein to you have this much interest in computers, we are so motivated, oh my god.
I
Even
loved Supriya Pathak in that role. Then she says, ki, "Oh, पासा तो पलट गया है.
हाँ.
ये तो हमारे लिए काम हो रहा है.
Exactly.
So let me just go ahead, go with the flow, and
I know, right? Seriously. so that I totally enjoyed. I just totally enjoyed those little mind games between Chanchan and Supriya Pathak. That was just hilarious to me,
Yeah, there's going to be a lot of it, I think, going forward.
Yeah. Yep, exactly. And I think we're ready for Lowell's #1 song.
Neetu, you excited?
Absolutely, can't wait to find out what the song
Hey,
would be.
उसने तो मुझे भी नहीं बताया. I didn't know any of his songs until he's playing them. So even it's a
Oh,
surprise for me.
seriously?
Yes, it's a
Wow.
surprise for me too. So,
There's
dosto,
a
stay
mystery going
tuned.
on here.
Here is Lowell's #1 song for the week.
Make some noise.
All right, guys.
Make some noise for the Desi Boys. D-Boys. D-Boys. Let's go, come on.
ਕੁੜੀਆਂ ਦੇ ਦਿਲ ਤੇ ਰੂਲ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ
right, let's make some noise. Come on, dosto. It looks like we've lost a couple of calls with special request. I mean, hey, if you couldn't get through, give us a call. The lines are always open. It's 408-912-5565. Lowell, my legs haven't stopped tapping, from that
Well, let me
song,
ask you,
you know.
did it live up to your expectations?
It lived more than up to my expectations. I wouldn't even dream about thinking that these songs would be playing. You know what? I should give this stuff to my UJAM instructor. Neeru, I take UJAM classes, and you still with me, right?
Yeah, I'm hearing.
Yeah, तो UJAM classes में क्या है कि we cover all dances from around the world. It's a 1 hour
Okay.
class, ठीक है? And it is so surprising, Keith. They have all these little tidbits from all over the world. They even have Hindi songs.
Oh, okay, great.
Okay, for the
So
choreography.
it's like they choreograph you
Yes.
for a particular song.
So
That
they
one week?
choreograph each song. So we do all different kinds of steps. We do bhangra, we do salsa, we do poppy. I mean, you can think of anything. It's basically, you're just up and jump. And in fact, I was telling Lowell ki last week we did Gangnam Style, we did J-Ho.
Gangnam Style.
Yeah.
That's hilarious.
It was hilarious. And I tell you, we did it exactly the way the guy did.
that particular type of dance is so liberating.
It
I
is.
feel.
It is. I mean, I totally enjoy my UJAM classes, I have to tell you. It's been like 3 weeks since I've started doing those
That's
things.
great.
It is amazing, and I just revel in it. I was telling Lowell ki my one of my dreams, or one of my I should say dreams, I think, is to learn ballroom dancing. And I've always wanted to learn ballroom dancing. Lucky for me, I have a very, very good friend who's a fantastic ballroom dancer.
Okay.
So I just have
That's
to hook
great.
up with him. I told him, ki, hey, the next 3-4 months, after I'm kind of done with, my routines and stuff, and I get the time, I'm going to be at your house. You better teach me how to do ballroom dancing.
Oh, we'll have to throw a ball then.
I know, right? Are yaar, we were talking
Yes,
about
once you
going to a
learnt it.
disco here, because I was asking Lowell, do we even have any discos left here in the Bay Area? Because we
Seriously, you don't have one?
Pata nahi, I mean, we have nightclubs.
You know the
You know,
sad
you
thing.
He
they-
should know that,
yeah.
right? Lower should know.
No,
They
he
might
couldn't
be
come up
going
with-
out of business. That's
Yeah.
what I've been thinking. Isn't that unfortunate?
Yeah, very. I mean, you have nightclubs where they play the music and all that stuff, but they're not like
Okay.
specific discos, right? The discos have an entirely different meaning.
Yeah, that's
I would
true.
say, the nightclubs would be entirely different from the thing. But anyways, so we were just chatting about the discos thing and all that stuff. But yeah, so I'll let you. I'll keep you guys posted about my ballroom dancing experience eventually.
Please do.
How that turns out. Hey, the UJAM classes, I haven't embarrassed myself. I did salsa kiti. I did bhangra. Salsa was one of my pet things. I always wanted to do salsa, so I totally enjoyed. I like the moves and the grooves on salsa. They're damn sexy and nice, But anyways, so we are heading into the top of the hour. Stay with
Yeah.
me. We'll be back as soon as we're done with the commercials from our sponsors at the top of the hour. Dosto, stay put. We have another hour of exciting news coming up and gossip coming up and my list of songs coming up. So so don't go away, because I want you guys to give me a call and say which songs you like the best. Haha, right? I know what Neeru would say, but I'm not asking you, Neeru. I'm asking the other listeners to come and tell me what they think about the songs I chose. TK, okay. All right. Stay put, guys. See you back.
For more information on how to get your own show on They See 1170 AM, give us a call at 408-440-0851 or send us an email to theysee1170am@aol.com.
The largest Wasaki Mela in California, Bay Area.
You're listening to KLOK San Jose, San Francisco, and Oakland, the largest and most powerful Desi radio station in America, a universal media access radio station.
And Rangmanch is back with Alima and Neeraja, and Lowell is at the boat. Dosto, this is the second hour we're going into Rangmanch. I hope everyone is having a fantastic Saturday. I mean, we at the station are just seem to be having way too much fun today with partying, with discoing, and with whatnot. What else? What do you have any other surprises, Lowell, for us?
Well, the surprises, I think that'll be next week.
Next week?
Because, I'm all pooped out from the dancing we're doing in the
There
studio.
you go, exactly. We are sweating here and we just can't stop tapping our feet, right?
Are
Well,
you bringing your list next week also, Lowell?
What will that be? What list?
well, what list? You want him to do
Another list.
another list of 5
come on,
songs?
there's so
Give me
many
a category and I'll give you a list.
Yeah, see, category, Niru. Do you want peppy songs? Do you want romantic songs? Do you have, want sad songs? You want
songs. So we had Peppy this time, so
Yeah.
romantic maybe.
हाँ romantic. मैंने तो romantic choose किया आज because I'm in a romantic mood today.
Is it?
हाँ.
Oh, I'm waiting to hear it.
Yeah, I'm very romantic mood क्योंकि मेरा husband ने he promised he's going to take me on a date tomorrow and then he said कि he'll
That's
take me.
great.
He said he'll take me shopping and let me buy whatever I want and he made sure कि remember Alima to bring your credit
No
card
wonder
with you.
No wonder you're on top of the world.
नहीं यार तुमने
so
सुना
happy.
नहीं तुमने सुना नहीं he laid everything and then he goes Alima I really love you so much and our wedding anniversary is coming up next week तो मैंने सोचा कि I'll get this and this but then I know कि you won't like that so the perfect thing is to just take you shopping and then you go then you just get what you want to buy and I'm like
That's
how
exactly good.
sweet of him कि that he was going to actually come with me stay the whole time I shop and then
That's good, right?
that's good,
Or is
right?
it not?
Yeah, that is absolutely fine. So he
Sometimes
also
it's not.
and he also made sure that I remember to take my credit card with me.
Oh,
तो-
that's a downer.
Well, Sai. I mean,
no.
he's
You earn like Alima and spend like
yeah. But you
Sai.
pata hai ki Sai is like the total joker, fun guy in the family. So I'm sure he's just going to make it memorable. So I'm like just in this nice romantic mood, and and I chose all romantic songs for all the people
That's
out
good.
there.
That's great.
Yeah.
Peppy
so-
and romance.
Yes,
together.
exactly. They really go well together, huh? And speaking of romance and love in the air,
Okay.
Veera, if you're watching, is heading into.
There's romance there?
It's going into romantic land, Niru. Have you been watching it?
Oh.
I was having a conversation.
Okay.
I was chatting with Raghuveer this afternoon, right? And of
You
course
mean
I was.
Raghuveer Shekhawat?
Yeah, and
Raghuveer
of-
Shekhawat, the writers.
Yes, exactly. And I was like, hey, where are you? You said you were going to call me on the show. And he goes, no, Alima, next time, pakka, sure, and all that stuff. So, and then I said, okay, so give me a little intro to
Tidbit.
क्या चल रहा है, what are we going to be looking for? तो उसने simple words में लिखा love story. I'm like, aha, I love you for this because I can see Ratan and Nihal going that little romantic lane. And तुम्हें पता है, you know who Bansuri is, right?
No, you
The-
have to fill me in. I just saw the scene where Nihal is back. Nihal is staying with them.
Yes, he's
And he's
staying
trying
with
to
Modi
make
Chai
roti.
ji. Yeah.
And he's trying to make roti.
Yes.
I saw that.
So
particular scene.
Bansuri is the Sarpanch's wife, the little witch.
Oh my,
Huh.
that lady.
Yes,
yeah.
that lady. Now,
I remember.
yes, now that lady's got the hots for Hamara Nihal ji
Balwant's
ki.
wife.
Balwant's wife. Is that name Balwant? Yes, Balwant's wife.
Yeah, his name is Balwant.
Yes.
Yeah.
तो बांसुरी has hots for निहाल जी and अरे यार अभी love story
my
भी नहीं
goodness,
शुरू हुआ
seriously?
and already Ratan has competition in बांसुरी तो this no actually she was just
Bansuri is married.
she's अरे तो क्या हुआ नीरू
Child. I
अरे
know.
यार
They're married but not blind.
exactly and Nihal is so handsome hatta khatta Punjabi
All
guy
that.
I mean yeah who's not going to fall in love with him but the hilarious thing is I watched that episode right she was so damn good I mean he comes and she doesn't and she's in the bedroom folding clothes so he comes and he calls for Balwant and he's not there and so she's from the bedroom asking who is it and all that stuff and he goes this is Nihal and all that stuff and the minute he says Nihal she's like shoots out of the bed and she goes wait don't go and then she takes a lipstick and she's sitting in front of the mirror putting lipstick on
My God. Cheesy.
It was so
Obvious.
hilarious. It was so hilarious. And then Nihal goes, no, I'm leaving. I'll come back later and everything. And then she goes, no, don't.
Mr. Shekhawat was talking about this love story,
No. Well, to me,
a love triangle.
love triangle. No, क्योंकि I've seen Ratan soften a little towards Nihal. You know, obviously Nihal's hiding something, वो तो आ जाएगा. लेकिन now the track is going to concentrate on Nihal and Ratan.
Okay.
And you know, I mean, she's obviously she's got some feelings. She definitely cares for him now. So we're just going to see how the track develops, and then obviously at some point he's probably going to come out with what had happened to Sampuran
Sarpanch.
Singh. Yeah, Sampuran Singh, if that's what it is. But
How are the little ones doing?
the little ones are doing fab. I mean, they are just amazing, you know. It looks like they just live in those roles. I mean, excuse me, I mean, Veera is like one smart cookie, and you know,
She is so cute.
you know, she and Moti Jaiji are just amazing. You should just watch those two talk. It's
Yeah,
like
well, I caught my husband and my daughter sitting and watching Veera the other day.
It's like
They
they
don't
just
usually watch it.
it's like they're just sitting and having a normal conversation like you and I would have with an aunt or with a grandmother. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Well, you know, it was just so sweet and nice. You know, it was just very nice. And then, of course, Ratan and Veera, they have, you know, they have called in a truce sort of things. She's still kind of she doesn't get upset, like, and it still hurts her when out of the blue someone says, you know, she's Veera's BG, or, you know, accidentally
That's
or
true.
something like
That's
that.
true.
So it still hurts her a little.
It reminds her of his
Yes,
betrayal,
yeah,
and which
exactly.
is
Yeah, वो तो होता है, and I'm sure that should be how it is. I mean, at least
Yeah,
until
and-
she gets over it. Yeah, you know, so that's what's happening in Veera. So I think it's going to be pretty interesting. I'm like waiting to see what Bansuri is going to do. You know.
Are they introducing a sort of a comedy track through her character?
I'm not sure
Because
about that.
she's always been wild. So
Yeah.
whenever we look at her, we're looking at her as a vamp or a villain.
Well, she's always
And,
been wild, but in a funny
maybe
way.
this will, you know, give them a chance to put in a little bit of humor.
It's possible. It's very possible. क्या है कि, you know, she's you know, when that incident is happening, Balwant eventually comes when both Nihal and Bansuri are talking, right? So
Okay.
once the conversation ends, like, she turns around and she's like walking, but you know how a person in love walks, like on air kind
my
of a
goodness,
thing
on
with
air.
life, and so she's walking, right, and then Balwant goes, आपको क्या हो गया? I mean, you know, and she goes, she just gives him this weird look and then
And
turns.
she's an amazing actress.
She
I've seen her
is.
earlier.
She is. But
I
anyways,
think, is she in Kabul Hai too?
नहीं Kubul hai mein to she's not there.
Oh, have they changed the actress? I'm not sure.
नहीं, which actress? Razia has always been the witch in Kubul has always been Razia. I don't know her real name, but her screen
Okay.
name is Razia, and she's been the one from the beginning.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's how it is. Well, so anyway, so that's what Veera is going. So hey, if you have time, catch it on. At least you'll get some laughs out of it, and you know, see where that leads. I'm like, yeah, just thinking about it is like gives me a chuckle.
I'm just looking at her topic. Love triangle, Bansuri, Balwant and Nihal. Oh, there's no Ratan here.
That's what they should have put
There's a full
Ratan. Yeah.
IF में पूरा एक forum है dedicated to this.
This.
Love triangle, Basuri, Balwant and Nihal. I'm like, I'm wondering where is Ratan? I mean, where is the lead?
Oh, that is so hilarious, so hilarious. But those two, if you're watching any of these Indian shows, definitely watch Veera. I mean, don't miss that. This is one show. Even after how many episodes, Niru? Did we get into 100? Have we passed 100 on that? I don't
100, I
remember.
passed 100. Passed
Yeah,
100.
but it is still so strong. You know, Ranvi and Veera are still amazing child artists, and every single person on, you know, Sneha Wagh is an amazing actress. I mean, you will not get bored. I mean, it is an amazing show to watch if you ever want to, you know, get a little something different. It's a different show. It's worth watching. It's definitely worth watching. And I told Raghuveer Shekhawat to go watch Zindagi Gulzar Hai.
Oh, क्रॉस प्रमोशन चल रहा है.
हाँ, तो मैंने बोला कि हैव यू हर्ड अबाउट दिस एंड ही गोज हाँ सुना है. ही गोज हैव यू सीन इट एंड ही गोज नहीं देखा है. आई डोंट इवन वॉच
लास्ट 3 एपिसोड्स देख लेना प्लीज. 3-4 एपिसोड देख
तो
लेना.
मैं then he simply types कि I don't watch my shows. मैंने बोला कि I am not asking you to watch your shows. I'm asking you to watch someone other shows. And he comes back and says, अरे यार I don't have time to watch my shows. Where do I go watch other people other shows?
That's also true.
तो मैंने बोला कि don't watch your shows. You're supposed to go watch other shows because that's where you get inspiration and it's competition. Competition तो check करना है ना. So let's see. Yeah, so I told him कि he heard about it and he says I've really read good reviews about it and maybe I'll catch one of these days. इसने बोला तो दोस्तों I am coming to Alima's list now.
Oh, great.
And
No, well, I'm scared.
I know, and those. So if you guys are still listening, hey, call in with special requests. I shall stop my songs and play your songs if you have special requests. Not a problem. The number to
please call in.
अरे यार, oh my God, ये मेरा partner in crime is supposed to support me कि तुमने तो you're just dumping me into the middle of a battlefield here.
Let me hear the first song.
40891255565 guys to give in a call if you have any special request. And this song is for Lowell too because he said he did not hear it. So since of going into a slow romantic, I thought I'll salvage a little bit and start off with a peppy song for Lowell. Then he won't,
¿Quién eres tú? ¿Dónde has estado? He removido cielo y tierra y no te encontré. Y llegas hoy tan de repente y das sentido a toda mi vida con tu querer.
ना मैं समझा ना मैं जाना जो भी तुमने मुझसे कहा है सेन्योरिटा, मगर फिर भी ना जाने क्यों मुझे सुन के अच्छा लगा है सेन्योरिटा.
No desvíes la mirada, quédate cerca de mí.
मुझको बाहों में तुम घेरो, समझी ना सेन्योरिटा.
चाहत के 2 पल भी मिल पाए दुनिया में ये भी कम है क्या. 2 पल को 2 आओ खो जाए भूले हम होता हम है क्या. सेन्योरिटा सुनो सुनो सेन्योरिटा कहते हैं हम क्या.
Jamás podré interpretar el sentido de las palabras que me dedicas, pero el calor de tu mirar me hace sentir como la más bella señorita.
निगाहों से कहीं अरमानों की दास्तां है सेन्योरिटा. ये चाहत की मोहब्बत की सारी दुनिया में एक ही जुबान है सेन्योरिटा.
मुझसे अब नजर ना फेरो, आओ पास तुम मेरे.
मुझको बाहों में तुम घेरो, समझी ना सेन्योरिटा.
चाहत के 2 पल भी मिल पाए दुनिया में ये भी कम है क्या. 2 पल को 2 आओ खो जाए भूले हम होता हम है क्या. सेन्योरिटा सुनो सुनो सेन्योरिटा कहते हैं हम क्या. जो भी पल बीता है सेन्योरिटा, हर पल तुमने है दिल जीता, बस इतनी सी तो बात है.
No desvíes la mirada, quédate cerca de mí.
मुझको बाहों में तुम घेरो, समझी ना सेन्योरिटा.
चाहत के 2 पल भी मिल पाए दुनिया में ये भी कम है क्या. 2 पल को 2 आओ खो जाए भूले हम
So,
You passed with flying colors.
Lowell, so. All right, thank you.
Clapping.
See, I'm just buttering you guys up. You know, once I get those peppy songs, then I'm going to go into this slow romantic songs. You know.
Oh.
But anyway, good. Well, you know, Lowell hasn't heard Senorita song, so I played it for him
Is it?
because
Oh, that's a lovely
It's
song,
one of my
actually.
favorite songs. I totally love that song, and no matter how many times I hear it, it never get bored. Never get bored.
Yeah, true.
Yeah. So I have to send him a link on that one. Now, Lowell, I have a question for you. If I am driving a car with a dog sitting in my lap, you think I'll get a ticket?
What kind of dog are we talking about here? Because
Doesn't-
I think they would make a difference.
Does it make a difference?
Yeah, if you have a poodle in
It's
your lap,
okay?
I think it'd be okay. My mom did it all the time when
And
we
it's
had
not
our
like I can
poodle.
have a Labrador sitting in my
First of all, I don't think that's
can't see the
possible.
road in front of me and have the lab drive
Yeah.
it for me, you know.
Unless and until the lab is driving the car.
Exactly.
Here's the thing: if you have your seatbelt on
Uh-huh.
and you have a dog in your lap, I honestly don't see you getting a ticket.
A ticket?
I don't
That-
think so. No.
Hmm.
Yeah, and
I'm curious,
yeah.
but then again, some of the rules are different in every state, is what I'm assuming,
Yeah.
right? So this guy in Boston got a $35 ticket for allowing his dog to sit on his lap when he was driving. Poor
jeez.
guy. You know, I was curious because I've seen people in California. I've seen people in the Bay Area with dogs. In fact, I have driven the car with a Shih Tzu sitting in my lap. My cousin's dog when I was dog watching. No one stopped me, so I was curious.
Now, maybe it's not a big deal here in
Maybe
California.
not.
Who
Yeah,
knows?
but then again, like you said, it could be the size also, as long as it's not obstructing your view or your driving. I think it should be okay. Well, anyways, I thought that was funny because I haven't ever heard anyone getting a ticket for, you know. So I wanted to pose that question for you. Anyways, hey, I am a big fan of thrillers and suspenses, and you know, I love watching all CSIs and Criminal Minds and Bones and every single thriller show that
Are
is
you
there
watching
on-
Hannibal? The following?
Hannibal, I got it recorded क्योंकि अभी सुना है इसके बारे में, because you know
And the following?
following I'm not following.
Kevin Bacon, yeah.
Is it? मैंने
Yeah.
कहीं पे
He's the cop.
कहीं पे I've read it, but I've never had a chance to see it or follow it actually. So
I heard it's gory.
I'm sure
but
it is.
really, really good. The
I'm
mind
sure
games
it
are
is.
really good.
I'm sure it is. So, you know, and I always I like watching Arjun. You know, if I don't know if you've ever watched it, Neetu, but
Which one? Sorry, I didn't get you.
Arjun that comes on Star Plus.
Which one?
हर युग में आएगा Arjun.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay,
Shaleen
okay.
Malhotra's. You know,
I haven't watched.
You have. I end up kind of watching it. I've never watched CID. I've never watched the Indian CID or
What is
anything.
this about? What is this
Well,
about?
they-
And when did it start?
I think it started quite a long time ago. It is.
Oh, this one is Arjun, what we
it's-
call as Arjun, right?
Yes.
Four
and this-
Lions ka show?
हाँ, Four Lions Gorky का show. हाँ.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah. So I kind of got I liked Shaleen Malhotra. For some reason, there's something in that guy. This raw appeal, and he really portrays that pain and sadness really well. So that's what caught my attention. And well, of course, I also wanted to see how the emergency task force and how much they have progressed in depicting all these these detective shows and stuff like that.
And how is it?
It is good. You can call me a glutton for punishment. I still watch it, and every minute I watch, and I'm sitting and
Uh-oh,
thinking,
that doesn't sound so good.
"Nay, but still, it's." See, here's the thing. For me, when you have shows like that, okay, you have a computer geek, you have a forensic expert, you have different roles to play as a team squad, right?
Yeah.
So when things happen, everyone goes to it together, which doesn't make sense to me. Okay, agar there was an incident, there is a death, if the whole team goes, then kabhi to kabhi the computer geek has to go back to his desk to figure out
I
stuff.
mean, like, I'm wondering who is manning the pit.
Yeah, the forensic expert तो lab को जाना है कि to figure out things, तो वो सब तो नहीं होता है. I mean, wherever anything happens, everyone goes together. तो मैंने कि अरे यार ये लोग, if everyone goes everywhere together.
Logic.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying. See, the stories are good. The execution wise is good. Charlene is perfect for that role. And he fits it to the T. But to me, it is so hard to...
Like, you're talking about Garcia in Criminal Minds, one
Yeah.
who is at the station all the time.
Exactly.
She doesn't go visit the...
Exactly.
Right.
Because there has to be someone who does that. There has to be someone. And even with the lab and everything. And so, it just... Because everyone's got a specific role to play. So
Role to
role
play,
to dikhna
right.
hai na. You can't just come and stand there. And the other thing I noticed, really noticed, which I hope ki they would change, they always make what's the other guy, Rathor, what's his name, I keep forgetting, the guy who played Geet's brother or whatever, the Behzad Khan, he's the captain of the team. So
Okay.
every time it is shown like he comes out as the stupid guy in it. I mean, the questions they pose, the questions they ask, to me that is just so not right.
Is it? Okay.
Yes.
Well, is it intentional?
Pata
Or it
nahi.
just so happens
It
like
just
that?
so happens, I think, but they should watch that. That really puts me off. Ki here you have a captain. Okay? And I know there is a history for Arjun in it, and he's a smart, super smart, the ultimate police officer or the EFT's official, whatever you call him. But Behzad is in his own right. He's a super smart guy too. That's what it should portray. So when you are giving him dialogues, when you are posing questions, it should not look ki it comes out as silly or stupid, illogical.
silly,
So
right.
that is hard. That is so, and yet, like I said, I'm still a glutton for punishment. I still watch it, and I watch it, and I sit there and think, what the heck? Don't watch this thing and figure out ki it's just not gelling. It's just not logical. That's the sad part. It's like I want to shake these people and think, "Arey, yeah, that is such a common sense thing." It's just a matter of changing dialogues. Come on, I mean, it is such. वो क्या होता है ना कि you come into my house and say, "Oh, Neeru, you're here." You know how silly that sounds.
But that's rhetorical.
वैसे ही इतना rhetorical questions होता है उस show में कि oh my god.
For want of better dialogue.
Yes, exactly. But you know what? I still like it. I still enjoy watching
Okay,
it. Just
what
for
is
the heck.
it that you like about the show?
I think, like I said, I'm just a thriller fanatic. I just watch
Okay.
any thriller shows. Okay,
So the cases are good?
the cases are good.
I'm
The
assuming that every
story-
week...
It's a different
I'm
one.
assuming that every week it's a different
Yes,
case?
in fact, it comes on Saturdays and Sundays. So every day, so those 2 days, it's 2 different cases. Like I said, the cases are really good.
Is it an hour-long show?
Hour-long show, yes.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
the cases are damn good. There is no doubt about it, and and that's and Charlene is really good. See, the whole team is good, yeah. The whole team is good. They just need to make it more logical, and this is like common sense logical.
Is Sana there still?
Sana,
Is the girl?
yeah, I think she's there. The first, वो पहली wali girl का नाम,
yeah.
she's not she left the show.
Okay, there's somebody else.
Somebody else came.
Okay.
Else came. Then after that, they added another girl who is a forensic expert. Then after that, they added another girl who's like a crime reporter.
Okay. Okay.
And then of course the crime reporter to me is like just very silly. So so there is a certain leverage, not leverage. There is certain aura around a crime reporter. If you are supposed to be a famous crime reporter, there is a certain standard you carry with you. Okay. Even for Indian standards, there is certain things that you carry with you. You cannot come off acting as silly. You cannot come off acting as goofy. You cannot come off acting as like posing silly questions. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You
true.
can be peppy. You can be all this fun and everything. But hey, you are a crime reporter for an emergency task force, which is a special department. You're not the FBI, you are not the CIA, you are not just a detective. This is a special division. So you better be up to that standard. You know what I'm saying? That's
true.
That's what
That's
it is.
true.
That's kind of what gets me. But like I said, maybe I just watch it for the thrill of watching Charlene B. Arjun. And honestly,
There is
Neeru,
enough action too.
yes, there is enough action. But honestly, Neeru, the stories are really good. That I have to tell. The stories
That's
are
true. That's
definitely
good.
Yeah. So at least for that, that's what it goes for. But that's where that show stands. But if people just like the thriller shows, I mean, look at CID. I mean, it's been running for how many seasons now in India?
More than 10 years now.
Exactly. And most
And
of
people
them
love it at all sections. They just love the show.
Yes.
I've seen my aunts and my friends' family watch
Yeah.
it together. Even kids, which I don't think is very appropriate.
Oh, well, I let
Even
my
a 6,
kids-
7-year-old just end up sitting and watching it.
Arre
But which
yaar, I
I'm
let
not
my
very
kids
sure
watch
of.
all
But,
the CSIs and everything.
Yeah, I mean, it's very quite popular.
It's I've watched CID long time ago, and I
Okay.
think a few weeks ago I caught an episode of CID. Okay? See, CID, if you really look at it, they are able to distinguish those roles. See, you will not see the whole team going together at the same time.
No,
You will-
it's
you
in
know-
most of the shows we actually see a pair of them go. They are paired
Exactly.
together.
Yeah.
For us, because when a case is there, it involves 3-4 different.
Yes,
One
absolutely.
is interrogation, one is going after
getting
the-
information, Googling stuff, trying to figure out the background and all that stuff, right? I mean, so
Yeah, so many things involved, so many
Right.
layers.
Mhm.
So you have different people in the team attending to different things. So that's what usually happens.
Yeah. So so that's what I'm saying. So CID that way, it has always been like that from the beginning too. If I'm not
Okay.
mistaken, it's always
Okay.
been like that. But see, that is what something even Arjun should go into. They should be just doing that. Sometimes, and the girls sometimes I feel they don't do anything at all. I mean, come on, give me a break.
Why
You're
is that?
living-
Why is that? I
you're
find that
living
in
a pro- you live in-
CID too.
Exactly. You live in a progressive world, for God's sake. Hey, you women are as strong as men, for God's sake. If you have become a detective, you better make sure that she's getting her equal share of doing the job. She's just not a dumb bimbo standing in the show,
No,
I
I don't
always
think,
hate it.
especially in Indian television, women don't
See?
have.
Yeah.
See, most of the leads, if you notice, are either set in Saas Bahu drama.
Yeah, and I hate that. Yeah, Neeru, did you ever watch the Telugu movie Kartavyam by any chance? What's her name?
Yes,
Vijay
yes,
Shantika.
Vijay Shanti.
I still remember every single scene of that movie.
That was a super duper hit.
That was a
and she had a
fantastic
very
movie.
powerful role. In fact,
Exactly.
she got typecast after that.
Yes,
if you notice,
she did.
there
She
was a
did.
slew of movies where she was cast in the same role.
Yes,
and then
but by God, Neeru,
she
that
disappeared
was
from
an
the scene.
amazing movie. I mean, for him, and remember, the guy is completely out of the picture. He's there, but he's not even empowering her at all. It was entirely her as a police officer.
That's true.
And that's what I like about it, because she was given her due as a police officer. Granted, it's a women-oriented movie, but she was a police officer, and that's what it all led up to.
She clicked there also because she was already an established star.
Correct.
And she, by the time she could carry a film on her shoulder, she didn't need big names of the industry to pull a movie through.
Exactly.
By then, she'd
exactly.
reached that
She
stage.
did that, but even now,
Otherwise, nobody would have taken that. The producers wouldn't have taken that.
that challenge or
the
that
chance,
topic or that subject, I would say maybe they wouldn't have taken. Yeah.
That's
but she
true.
was. But anyways, that's yeah. So it's all right. I mean, you can just watch for the fun of watching it more than anything else is what I see with Arjun. So, well, I am going into my. I mean, I don't have a sequence to the songs that I'm playing. They just happen to be some of my favorite songs. So unlike Lowell, I shall not rate any of my songs. Remember that, Neeru. So there is
Okay.
there is random sequence to my songs. So you better come up with good comments for my songs, okay? Otherwise
your
you're
song
not
better be good.
you're not coming on to my show next week if you don't praise me to the hilt, okay?
Sure.
रब की कवाली है इश्क कोई दिल की दीवाली है इश्क कोई महकी सी प्याली है इश्क कोई सुबह की लाली है इश्क गिरता सा झरना है इश्क कोई उठता सा कलमा है इश्क कोई सांसों में लिपटा है इश्क कोई आंखों में दिखता है इश्क मेरे दिल को तू जान से जुदा कर दे यूं बस तू फना कर दे मेरा हाल तू मेरी चाल तू बस कर दे आशिकाना तेरे वास्ते मेरा इश्क सूफियाना मेरा इश्क सूफियाना मेरा इश्क सूफियाना साथ साथ चलते चलते हाथ छूट जाएंगे ऐसी राहों में मिलो ना बातें बातें करते करते रात कट जाएगी ऐसी रातों में मिलो ना क्या हम हैं क्या रब है जहाँ तू है वही सब है तेरे लब मिले मेरे लब खिले अब दूर क्या है जाना तेरे वास्ते मेरा इश्क सूफियाना मेरा इश्क सूफियाना मेरा इश्क सूफियाना तेरे वास्ते मेरा इश्क सूफियाना मेरा इश्क सूफियाना मेरा इश्क सूफियाना रब की कवाली है इश्क कोई दिल की दीवाली है इश्क कोई महकी सी प्याली है इश्क कोई सुबह की लाली है इश्क गिरता सा झरना है इश्क कोई उठता सा कलमा है इश्क कोई सांसों में लिपटा है इश्क कोई आंखों में दिखता है इश्क मेरे दिल को तू जान से जुदा कर दे यूं बस तू मुझको फना कर दे मेरा हाल तू मेरी चाल तू बस कर दे आशिकाना तेरे वास्ते मेरा इश्क सूफियाना मेरा इश्क सूफियाना मेरा इश्क सूफियाना साथ साथ चलते चलते हाथ छूट जाएंगे ऐसी राहों में मिलो ना बातें बातें करते करते रात कट जाएगी ऐसी रातों में मिलो ना क्या हम हैं क्या रब है जहाँ तू है वही सब है तेरे लब मिले मेरे लब खिले अब दूर क्या है जाना तेरे वास्ते मेरा इश्क सूफियाना मेरा इश्क सूफियाना मेरा इश्क सूफियाना तेरे वास्ते मेरा इश्क सूफियाना मेरा इश्क सूफियाना मेरा इश्क सूफियाना
See, even Lowell hasn't heard this song. I'm doing good. I'm doing good because Lowell hasn't heard any of my songs. Neeru? Oops, we've lost her.
Hello.
You still with us? Did you get your
Hello.
Did you
Yeah,
get
yeah.
Did you get your
Hello?
cup of chai?
Oh, I did, and I finished long time ago.
Oh.
That is in the last break. Thank you.
I was telling Kissy Lowell hasn't heard any of the songs I played so far, so I think I'm doing
This is a
good.
lovely song again.
Yeah, see,
So-
thank
You're
God.
educating me. I appreciate
Yeah,
that.
see, there you go. See, I told Lowell ki next week we should just go and get top 5 songs in Telugu.
You know, I'd like to hear some English numbers too. So
English numbers.
can add
Yeah,
that.
maybe one of
Yeah.
these days we can do a special of English numbers.
Wow.
Yeah.
Oh my
Boy.
God,
Do
I have
that.
plenty of them. I have become so good with it with Apeksha and Pratiksha because they listen to
Yeah.
all these songs. And
We can
then,
include One Direction for Pratiksha.
yeah, and then and it's like I have 101.3 radio station always on in my car, and man, I am educated in English music. I know I know Neon Trees, I know One Republic, I know Katy Perry, I know Rihanna. I mean,
You can thank
Kelly
your
Clark,
yeah.
Kelly Clark, whoever, Lady Gaga, whatever. I mean, it's like 90% of the songs I know. Even when they come, the new songs, I'm well educated now. See?
Now you can thank,
Okay,
you
we'll
can
do a
thank your daughters for that,
mashup.
right?
Yeah,
All three of our
exactly. I have to
favorites.
thank my daughters for that because they are the ones who are listening to all these things. And then Apeksha comes with a big list and says, "Can we download these songs into iTunes and all that stuff?" And I'm listening to the song. Go, I don't like this song. I like this song. I have actually English songs. I can come up with my top 5 favorites just like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I
that's
think we
good.
should do that.
That's
That's a neat idea. Maybe next
right
week
now
we
my
can
my ringtone is Fireflies. Owl City.
Oh, I didn't hear Fireflies. Did I hear that
Yeah,
song?
I'll
No.
let you hear it next week.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah, we can do that. I think that will be a neat thing just to play the top 5 English favorite songs. We should do that. So, itni khoobsurat hai, dil ki nazar khoobsurat. Have you been watching it, Niru?
No, Alima, I'm not even tempted.
No,
So
yeah,
go
I
ahead,
mean,
it's all yours.
I don't know. I don't know if it's going to last or not. But the way it is, I just ended up watching the Friday ka episode where Aradhya and
शादी हुआ कि नहीं कि क्या
शादी
हुआ?
हुआ
That is
है
the
तो
question.
तो क्या हुआ कि Rahul comes to know कि Madhav loves Aradhya. So whatever happened is both of them are married now. Madhav and Aradhya are married, and of course Aradhya is super upset because she was kind of
Madhav is Ehsas, is it?
yes. Because Aradhya is
Okay.
kind of emotionally blackmailed into marrying Madhav, I believe.
Oh my
And
God.
she still doesn't know that Madhav and Ehsas are the same people. She still thinks
Oh.
Rahul is Ehsas and that she still loves him. So that is still,
Why do they drag it out? That's the
Pata
trump
nahi yaar.
card, so they're dragging it
yeah,
out.
pata nahi, So anyway, so I'm not sure what's going to happen with that show. I'm not sure how long it's going to last or anything. But it's just doesn't seem to have the grip on the storyline anymore.
Okay.
And अरे यार जिंदगी गुलजार है तो कुछ कहना ही नहीं है. I mean, I'm totally it's like नहीं, I was watching it, right? I was watching the latest episode and I'm thinking every time Kashyap talks to Zarun, I'm thinking she's like talking like me. It's like she doesn't even have an ounce of romantic stuff in her where she this guy is talking
Non-romance versus non-romance.
I know. She's answering like how I would answer. And it was so uncannily similar to what answers I would give my husband when he comes and says those things.
I know.
It
It was
was
nostalgic, actually. This episode also was like that.
Mhm.
ZGH team is fantastic. The way they're coming up with back-to-back
Good
fantastic episodes.
Right.
This was not, I couldn't call it, the honeymoon period is almost sort of over
yeah.
and they're back to their works and slowly the distance,
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
catching up. And I love the way she actually got so angry that he was not giving her proper responses. And she was so used to that attention for all this while
Yeah.
that the minute she went away and she couldn't get that over the telephone and he was like out with his friends and all
and-
that. So she
right.
was so upset and she pulls out that wire of the telephone landline.
Yes.
She switches off her mobile and puts it in the drawer and says, "Okay, I'm not going to talk to him." That's so typical. I mean, I'm very sure that every married couple has gone through this.
Yes.
If at all they've been away for a while. And this is, I'm sure that woman has done this, switched off
I'm
the
sure,
phone.
I'm
And I
sure,
want to talk to
definitely.
you. Don't want to talk to you.
Right, right.
Even though they say that in marriages that you should never go to bed with an unresolved issue.
Uh-huh.
You should never turn your back and go to sleep. You should you should, finish it,
Yeah,
talk it
just
out.
finish it. Just
At that-
finish it.
But how many of them follow this mantra? Even I don't.
Right,
But
right.
it's an ideal situation. I mean, if you could just talk it out and resolve the situation and then get to bed, is the best way for a marriage. But we hardly do it.
Well, hold on to those thoughts, Neeru. I just have one more song to play before we
Yeah,
get
sure.
into our final, final 10-15 minutes of our show. Like I said, I'm in the romantic mood, after a long time. So मैंने सोचा कि all songs तो romantic ही होना है. So those don't stay put. And like I said, any special request, the number to call is 408-912-5565. And here goes.
आंखों में तेरी अजब सी अदाएं हैं हो आंखों में तेरी अजब सी अदाएं हैं दिल को बना दे जो पतंग सांसें ये तेरी वो हवाएं हैं आंखों में तेरी अजब सी अदाएं हैं हो आंखों में तेरी अजब सी अदाएं हैं दिल को बना दे जो पतंग सांसें ये तेरी वो हवाएं हैं ऐसी रात है जो बहुत खुश नसीब है चाहे जिसे दूर से दुनिया वो मेरे करीब है कितना कुछ कहना है फिर भी है दिल में सवाल कहीं सपनों में जो रोज कहा है वो फिर से कहूँ या आंखों में तेरी अजब सी अदाएं हैं हो आंखों में तेरी अजब सी अदाएं हैं दिल को बना दे जो पतंग सांसें ये तेरी वो हवाएं हैं तेरे साथ साथ ऐसा कोई नूर आया है चांद तेरी रोशनी का हल्का सा एक साया है तेरी नजरों ने दिल का किया जो हशर असर ये हुआ अब इनमें ही डूब के हो जाऊं पार यही है आंखों में तेरी अजब सी अदाएं हैं हो आंखों में तेरी अजब सी अदाएं हैं दिल को बना दे जो पतंग सांसें ये तेरी वो हवाएं हैं
Is that romantic enough for you?
Absolutely. I was singing along.
Are dosto, is it romantic enough for you for a Saturday night with your loved ones? That is my goal, spend time with them. Kya hota hai ki, lots of times we take so many things for granted in our lives. And, at the beginning of the show, I was, mentioning about, the terrorist attack in Boston here, and also about the huge fertilizer plant that blew up because of negligence or whatever it was, so we've lost a lot of people. I mean, to me, the fertilizer plant thing was much more terrible than the Boston attack, Lowell, especially because to me that was controllable. It was total negligence on the part of whoever owned that plant, because apparently it got a lot of citations and they haven't fixed it. Versus this, you did not have a control on the Boston bombs blew up. That was out of our hands where we couldn't do it. And the sad part is they lost 6 firemen in it, along with the captain. And that really got to me because I have friends here in the fire department. I know a few people. Some of them are parents and some of them are police officers that I know of. So it's really sad when I hear it, that these people have lost their lives in the line of duty. But anyway, so I mean, those, so just remember what you've got in life, and be grateful for what you have, because you don't know what tomorrow brings. So just enjoy those moments. Like Neeru and I was saying about, having arguments with your partners or with your spouses. And like in Zindagi Gulzar Hai, he puts those 2 rules. I mean, at least I heard 2 rules, Neeru, where he says, anytime you have an argument, always make sure that we sort it out.
You speak about it.
You speak about
communication
it.
should be on
Exactly.
throughout.
Exactly. And what is the second rule? I mean, I'm trying to think.
I'm like totally blank now.
Because when they were
I
having
remember the first rule because that's so significant.
Yes, exactly. Because they were having a conversation, and I think I missed that, but I remember thinking about a second rule where he mentions a second rule, but I can't think of it right now.
No, the video that I watched, the certain areas were blacked out.
Okay.
So
okay.
I need to rewatch it again for certain dialogues and certain
but
scenes.
anyways, like I was telling, I mean, that is a very important point, that communication, that trying to know each other's, understand each other's feelings, being there for each other, enjoying each other's company or what you've been given so far, it's worries and issues sabhi ko hota hai, but why worry about them? Because you don't even know what it is. You don't know what's going to happen about it. So just
But communication is the hardest part when you're very angry and upset and hurt.
Exactly. Yeah, that is true.
It's the most difficult thing to do.
And there were times
if you
when
can keep it going despite that, then you will not be in trouble. I mean, your marriage will not be in trouble. Your relationship will not be in trouble.
It also depends on the partners, I think. It also depends on the people involved in that relation, because I've gone through phases, or I've gone through arguments where, we did not sort it out before going to bed. It went into the next day.
No, it hardly ever happens like that. It's an ideal situation I'm talking about.
Right.
I have not seen people actually stick to this rule or several other rules
yes.
for that matter.
Yes. But that's what I'm saying. But see, the thing about Zindagi Gulzar Hai that always catches my attention is its simplicity, and it's realistic. It is like
it's
a
very realistic.
It's
very, very
normal...
realistic. Sometimes I feel I'm just intruding on their private moments.
Exactly.
I'm listening into something that I shouldn't be watching. I shouldn't be listening in, and that's so. I mean, the credit goes to the entire team for pulling that off, because it's so authentic, so real.
And
I get goosebumps now.
And it is very hard.
It's a wonderful pleasure to watch the show.
And it is very hard to hold interest of the viewers on a show like that. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people are so used to all these dramatics and these histrionics. They like all this over the top stuff, and you know what I'm saying? I mean,
and I think that's okay too. I mean, it depends on the way what you want. Sometimes it also comes down to what you lack in that particular moment in time,
right?
Through your life, and sometimes you need that excitement, that over the top portrayal of certain things, you go and watch those shows to give that kind of fill that gap. And sometimes you just want some peace and quiet, and you want something real and very authentic. So you get veered towards shows like that, and I feel that's so true when it comes to me. I'm guessing it's true for others as well, because I don't stick to one particular genre, and
Right.
while I'm enjoying one
Yeah.
particular show, I'm enjoying the other one
also as well.
in the next
yes.
6 months. So.
Right. No. See, what I'm trying to say is like it is very brave of these people to come up with a concept like that and have a large viewer base for it, because
I know.
for what I'm saying, it's so simplistic. It is so simple and realistic. Sometimes a lot of people might not like it because they could feel like, oh, it's just a mundane show kind of a thing, because it's very
Yeah,
rare
that's true.
because it's very rare for
No,
a lot of
it completely lacks the filmy aspect of
exactly
things.
exactly, and I think that is what really actually makes me watch that show too.
That is
because
the
it
USP of the show, I feel.
yeah, that is the USP of the show, and I'm glad that a lot of people are actually watching it for that USP of the show. You know what I'm saying?
Yes,
That is what
true.
is impressive about it. And I remember last week we talked about Kashyap's interaction with the mother-in-law, and
Yeah,
that,
I
and it
remember
came about.
that. When I saw the scene, I remember that we discussed about it.
Yeah, and it came out about
Sadaf,
this
I
week.
think, had brought up this
Yes,
issue.
Sadaf did, and so that I like. So they I already addressed that portion of it, and I like the way the Indians came in, where the mother-in-law, comes up with what it is, and Kashyap gets hurt when. It was
I'm not very sure if Ghazala is even in wanting to know her daughter-in-law. She has these misconceptions, and she is not even.
She's not interested. She's
not even interested in knowing Kashyap as a person. So
Right.
if she would, I think she would know what kind of a person Kashyap is.
Right. So I'm assuming that's pretty much what it's going to be in the sense, and in the sense that is they have to work on that relation, right? Now that is something that it's that they
But
have
then it
to
takes
work on
two. It takes two.
Right.
And Kashyap is not the kind who puts in a lot of effort into a
Nay,
relationship,
nay,
if you
she
notice.
will not,
And
yeah.
she started this communication with her mother-in-law and her sister-in-law also on
Because her mom
Rafia's
says
instigation.
yes, exactly.
So she's the one who follows her mother's advice very diligently, and she's done that. While it's clicking with her sister-in-law, it's not so much with
the
her
mom,
mother-in-law.
yeah.
So
It
there
is
has
going
to be a
wrong.
little bit of support from her mother-in-law for her to, continue that
Yeah.
keeping in touch and getting to know her, that part of it.
Right.
If Ghazala is going to continue to undermine her, it might be a little hard. She'll do her duties as a daughter-in-law, but communication is going to be hard.
Yes, and I also like her reaction in the sense ki, it was so typical, because I could see myself saying those same things ki, oh my God, she called me this. I mean, she said I was doing this, that I was taking the money to give it to my family. वो इतना normal है. Those normal pain that she felt, the normal conclusions that she came to.
I know.
Was just nice. I mean, it was just really nice, But anyways, though, so that is Zindagi Gulzar hai, the Pakistani show. Obviously, you know by now, we're talking about Zindagi Gulzar hai every week, because it's become a favorite. I mean, I have to admit.
I heard there are only 2 more episodes to go, Alima. So probably we'd be ending it with the hiatus for a month
probably.
of summer.
And then they're going to come back. Is that the plan?
No, Zindagi Gulzar will be over in 2 weeks.
in
That's
2
what I
weeks.
heard. I'm not sure. Some
Oh,
people
acha.
say there are some few more episodes to go, 5-6 episodes to go. But the buzz is only 2 more to go. Only 2 more weeks.
To go. Well,
to go.
anyways, we shall wait and see. तो देखेंगे क्या होगा. I mean, if it goes off the air, I'll miss that show, but I'm sure we're going to have some other show
No,
that
they
comes
have
up.
no. You're getting it wrong. It's not a continuous show like we have in India. So they have a specific number of episodes.
Right,
and,
right.
See, this is since most of the shows, Pakistani shows, are based on bound script. It's based on books
Right.
that are very popular. So this book, this Zindagi Gulzar Hai, is based on a book by Umaira Ahmed Ji, who is very popular
And it
author,
was, and it seemed
and she
like
writes on
Hamsafar,
realistic
right?
stuff.
Like Hamsafar also was
So
like
yes,
50
I mean,
episodes
see,
or
they
something.
tell a story. It's like
Yeah.
opening a book. You know
Yeah.
that there's the end and this is the story.
Correct,
Okay, this is the
correct.
plot. So that's how this shows are made. You have a bound script, and this is the story, and this many episodes we're going to cover it. So 25, 26 episodes, 20 episodes. The max is 26, I feel.
Oh, okay.
So 20, anywhere between and 26, they
Okay.
wrap their shows.
Shows.
So
Okay, good.
4 months to 5 months, we get a good dose
Dose of,
of
yeah.
a story.
Right.
It's like opening a book and reading and you
Reading
finish it. You know, and there's no dragging things.
Right. All right, dosto. Hey, it's time to wrap up our show. You know, time flies by when you're having a lot of fun, right, Lowell? You know, it's like, well, I have a song, one for the home stretch, guys, and then it is good night to everyone. Have a fantastic, safe, and Saturday night. The weather is beautiful out here. Hey, go take a walk tomorrow. Enjoy the weather. Stay safe and good night, folks. Niru, thank you for joining me.
Yeah, good night,
And
Lowell and
Lowell,
Alima.
thank you for your
Deirdre.
top
Have a good
5.
one.
Thank you for the top 5. We'll come back with some of the good songs
Plenty
next
more
week.
where that came from.
All right. Yeah, there we go. And hey, folks, you know, next week you guys should call in with your special request if you have any. And there, this is for the home stretch. Good night, Niru. Good night, everyone. Have a safe night.
मुझे कुछ भी समझ